So first we're unplugging the seat.
Oh, $2, mine. And rip it. See? Welcome to Doors and Bolts. This is gonna be a long series of episodes where we're going to retrofit an NBTEvo unit. We're gonna do a camera on the windshield for speed limit recognition, pedestrian, and collision warning. We are also going to put apps. No, we're gonna do CarPlay and a whole bunch of stuff.
It's gonna be like a trilogy where somebody might die at the end.
Something like that. And
right,
yeah,
in a trilogy, somebody has to die always, right?
Yeah, true.
Let's go break something.
And then fix it.
First thing we gotta do is take out these seats and be a little bit less comfortable. Or more, I don't know. We'll see.
First step into this process is clean up your garbage from the trunk and put it somewhere else.
Like into this giant pile of crap right here. I can help with one hand. There you go. I'm single-handedly helping you out. Here you go, I got your flux capacitor over here.
Okay, cool. We're gonna replace this called the TCB. We're gonna replace this with an ATM. Actually, the steering wheel first. To remove the steering wheel, just get a small screwdriver, 45-degree angle right here, and you're gonna feel like a little spring that you just push in, and then this is gonna pop out.
Stab in the right place.
Yeah, exactly.
See the stabbing? I told you somebody's gonna die at the end.
Okay, that's it. Same thing from the other side. And the airbag's up. We have this plug here that we just press on the top and pull it out. This is a 15. And before removing this, you have to unplug these other two connectors, one in the top that you just pry it out, and one in the bottom. That's it. And steering wheel is out.
Beautiful.
All we need to remove the seats is a T45, kind of looking like this, and
Big ass drill.
Big as drill. Yeah. Before unplugging them, we will unplug the battery so we don't have any errors with airbag and stuff like that. So there are 4 bolts. That are pretty tight. The easiest way to pull the seats out is put it all the way forward to the lowest position, so you don't scratch the trims or anything else like that. We remove the battery again.
That's not the battery.
No, but that's the cover.
Okay. Not remove the battery, just unplug the battery, you mean. So first we're unplugging the seat.
Oh, $2, mine. And rip it. $2, mine.
We're gonna remove the glove box now, and first we'll take off that trim and work our way upwards towards the glove box. And while I'm doing that, Andres is going to remove the center console. There's a few screws and pins, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem to do that. So the trim below the glove box just had 2 screws, one down here and the other one down here, and it's a size 10 nut, actually not screws, nuts, and you just loosen those up and then you unclip the top of the trim and then you just slide the bottom out. You can see these, it's got these little hook clips here, one there, one there, and this is being held from the top here, and then it's got these clips up there that just kind of hold it in place.
Airbag. It says airbag.
Down here, what else I gotta take apart?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Actually, you can take this to a safe area.
So I gotta try to crawl my way back out of this hole.
Yep. Because yeah, anyway, you're gonna have to crawl your way out of that hole.
I'm gonna slither out of my deep hole. Your knob?
Take my knob?
Just taking care of my knob. I gotta clear it myself. Got it? Okay. Now where are we gonna put it? Where are you gonna put it? I don't know that place.
Here we are. Dashboard removed. Everything is gone. It only took us an hour and 30 minutes.
That's true, yeah.
And yeah. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is gonna be it for this episode.
And in the next episode, we're going to show you how to wire everything together and hopefully not break anything.
No, we will break something,
well-
but we will fix it. Promise. Sorry.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.